OPEC meeting to make or break the oil price. Well, oil prices. Okay, so as you may know, OPEC are meeting throughout this week with particular focus on today, Thursday and Friday. Now, what they have on their hands is a real task to try and save the falling black gold. Black gold has been hammered, the price of black gold, since the start of this year, since coronavirus really started to spread across the globe. Now, it really commenced obviously in China, because bear in mind, China are the second largest importer of oil. Now, if, for example, there's a massive slowdown in the country, of course, there's going to be less demand for oil, right? So if there's less demand for oil, prices are going to fall, and so have they, right? We've seen the big psychological 50 mark be smashed to the downside. So now OPEC are trying to save the price. And how do they potentially do this? By reducing some of the supply in the market. There's too much supply at the moment, not enough demand, hence why prices are falling. And the only way this is going to be effective is if they cut by a considerable amount. Suggestions are between 1 million to 1.5 million barrels per day, but they need the involvement of Russia as well, because Russia are a huge producer of oil. And if Russia don't participate, then it's not really going to help, and oil will just continue to fall. What does this mean for the market in terms of reaction? Well, we're waiting to see what happens on the outcome of Thursday or Friday. Russia are coming back into the talks on Friday. If Russia do not participate, expect oil prices to get slammed. If we look at the FX market, remember, CAD and oil correlation, okay? Remember that, there's a correlation there. If oil prices fall, so will CAD. Remember, CAD was hammered yesterday on a dovish Bank of Canada, and I expect some further pressure potentially. But if the OPEC can agree cuts with the participation of Russia, then expect oil prices to firmly rally back above 50, and that will help CAD as well. And I know CAD really technically wants a correction. I'm eyeing it at the moment on the charts, as pointed out to the Freak Network members. Other than that, guys, have a smashing trading rest of your week. We'll keep an eye on these developments. Let's get it.